Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a light tube where you can change the color of the light tube glowing for any time when you want to use it. And start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this light tube just from beginning, from the scratch. And let's go. First, I'm going to make the light tube. To make the light tube, I will just go to the prop at here. Under the props, I will just go to the 3D block and I will choose a suitable shape at here. Because of I'm going to make a light tube, I'm going to choose the cylinder. So this is quite suitable. I choose this, drag and drop, and the pivot point is at here, so I'm going to just scroll down, change the pivot point to the center, and I'm going to just make a rotation. This rotation, just to make it 90 degree. At this point, I'm going to just reset the transform and zero out. At this point, I'm going to just press R to just make it small. And then I'm going to just drag it to make it long. Now it is about 2 meters. Alright, so next I'm going to just make it longer again and make it smaller. Now next, go to the texture. At this point, we are going to make the glow. So I'm going to just make a glow at here. The base color, I just leave it blank. So now, next, I'm going to just go to the pen at here, and I will just resize everything to the same ratio. The horizontal, just don't maintain the aspect ratio, and here I put 512. The vertical put 512 as well, and I'm going to fill a color. For example, I just fill it by using this green. Then I click File, Save As. On the desktop, and here I'm going to just name this as color. So this is just a piece of picture 512. Then at here, I drag and drop the color into the glow. It is going to glow with a certain color. To change the color, I just right click it, adjust the color, then change the hue. Now you can see it glow different color. It is just really simple. Change the hue, it glow different color. It is really easy. And then next, what I need to do is just make another 2 shape at both ends. And I'm going to just choose the pyramid, this one. Right. Next, I'm going to just turn it about 90 degree at here, 90. Then just make it small until it can fit at here. So somewhere like this. And I may just want to adjust the shape again in this way. It will be cool. It will be okay. Next, I just press W and just hold the control. It is going to duplicate to another end in that way. Then next, what can I do? I'm going to just make a base. To make a base, I just need to use a box, drag and drop to the center, then just drag it in this way. We just want to have a bottom. Just drag it until you can see in this way, and just make it smaller. Now it already have a bottom. Now done. Once you already done this part, move this again to just make it balanced. Done. So now you already have this lamp, and we are going to just attach it. Attach this. Go to attach. Just pick the parent. Pick for this, and here pick for parents. Pick for the light tube. Pick it. Pick for the light tube. Done. So whenever you want to use it, you just need to select the light tube. Then you can rotate it anywhere. It is really easy. Just rotate it, and you may just want to change the color. Change the color of this. You can adjust the color, the brightness, just to make it darker. It would be cool. And now it really look like a light tube. Now you already have your own light tube. You can use it as a prop. You can save it. So now I click, and I'm going to just reset and zero out. No, not this, sorry, Ctrl Z. I just want to reset the location. Just make it 0. Rotation, just make it 0. Not this. 0. Not this. The scale, I'm going to just reset the scale. Yes, done. So now if I click 0 out, it is going to just back to the origin. This is the light tube that's already done. For any time you want to change the color, the glow, you can adjust the strength, and then you can just right click, adjust the color, adjust the brightness, right? But most important is adjust the hue to change it to different color, and you may change the base color as well. Just right click, copy, and here right click, paste. It is going to change it as well. Just right click, adjust the color, adjust the hue. If you adjust the hue, it change the color of the glowing. You may just want to change the base color, or you can just make it white. You can just copy the white color and paste it here. It will be easier. And just change the hue. It is going to change the way it glows. It is really easy. Now this is a green light. Done. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a glowing light tube for your iClone 8 3D animation software, and just make it as a prop and save it as a prop at here, custom. Under the prop, just save this light tube. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.